Hello guys, today we are going to learn about passive components. First question arises, what is a passive component? Passive components are electronic components that do not require an external power source to function. They include elements like resistor, capacitor and inductor, which can store, dissipate or control electrical energy but do not produce it themselves. These components are crucial in electrical and electronic circuits for various purposes such as regulating voltage, filtering signal, or shorting energy temporarily. Here is a simple definition, like electronic parts known as passive components operate in an electronic circuit without need for a power source. For passive components, we don't need power source. That's the simplest definition for passive components. Next would be, first passive components is resistor. Then what is a resistor? A resistor is an electrical component that limits or control the flow of electric current in a circuit. It's designed to create a specific resistance measured in ohm. The resistance unit is ohm and is used to regulate current, divide voltage or generate heat in a various electronics application. Next would be capacitor. What is a capacitor? A capacitor is an electronic component that store and release electrical energy in a circuit. It consists of two conductive plates separated by insulating material that's called dielectric. Capacitors store energy in an electric field and are commonly used in circuits for filtering, timing, shooting power supplies and blocking DC while allowing AC signals to pass. And next would be, what is inductor? An inductor is a passive electronic component that stores energy in a magnetic field when current passes through it. It typically consists of a coil of wire and is used in circuit to resist change in current, filter out certain frequencies, store energy and control the flow of electricity. And next passive component would be fuse. What is a fuse? A fuse is a protective device used in electrical circuit to interrupt the flow of current when it exceeds a safe level. It consists of a thin wire or material strip that melts or breaks when too much current passes through it, thereby preventing damage to the circuit or electrical equipment from overheating or short circuit. That's the role of fuse. Next would be transformer. What is transformer? A transformer is an electrical device used to change the voltage level of alternating current, that's electricity. It consists of two or more coils of wire called windings that are magnetically coupled. Transformers can step up or step down voltage level efficiently, making them crucial in transmitting electricity across long distance, changing voltage for different applications and isolating circuit from one another. There is a list of passive components which you can go through and take, like a potentiometer, light depending resistor that called also LDR. Next is piezoelectric crystal. Next is thermistor and resistor, that's also called voltage dependent resistor VDR, and printed circuit board and Farad bead and trim capacitor resistor, many more. Thank you so much.